so long. It was about like almost 2 weeks. I was waiting for my part. Some parts. Plenum spacer is what I got. That's what I was waiting for. I bought it. It's supposed to get shipped out. It went over like a week. Emailed them. They kept asking me questions. I said, forget it, cancel it. And then they was like, oh, you can't cancel it because it's shipped out. Then it got here the next day. So that all happened yesterday. And so it got here today as I was at work today. So right now I got some spray paint and whatnot. You know, we're gonna paint and make it look nice. You know, really powder coat would be preferred, but you know, we gonna get down with what we got because you already know the vibe of what's going on. So yeah. But yeah, nah, right now we about to head to the shop. Well, now we actually about to go to AutoZone. I gotta go back to AutoZone because the Plenum space y'all got didn't come with a gasket, so I'm gonna need another gasket. Ooh, I might have one. Nah, I don't think that's any good. So I'm gonna just go buy some mega gasket just to be sure. But well, I'm gonna stop by the shop first and see if I have one, because I might have one, you know. Got a whole nother motor, so I might have a spare one. So I'm gonna stop by the shop and see if I have one. And if I don't have one, y'all know, because, you know, we'll be at AutoZone. That's what we be. But if I do have one, the clip will be at the shop. So I guess I'm gonna go to the shop first and then see. But yeah, man, like I said, got another part. I'm about to start putting parts on it. About to start getting back to it. You know, I've been grinding, so you know, time to put the bread back into it. Definitely got some big shit coming this year. So we definitely on the grind for sure this year. But yeah, man. Oh, transmission bushing been feeling great too, by the way. That was the last video I uploaded. If you didn't see that, go see that. Yeah, man. Like I said, we headed to the shop. We're gonna pull up and we're gonna see what's going on, and we're gonna see what I got, what I do and what I don't. So that's a little update. Yeah, I just ain't been posted. I bought this about a week and a half ago, almost 2 weeks. That's why I ain't been posted. That joint's clean. That joint's heavy. I've been waiting to post a vid, but the part ain't here. You know, you can't really post no videos of parts when you ain't got no parts. So that's just the whole reason I ain't been posting. So I also sent my that 370 what was that thing again? The 370 diff brace. I sent that back the other day too. Nobody wanted to buy it. Nobody that know that had 370. Nobody wanted to buy that. So I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and send it back. I don't plan on getting no 370 no time soon, you know. So that's that. Once I get the bread back for that, I'm gonna just buy me a G35 brake diff like I'm supposed to, with the one hand shifting. It's definitely sketchy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, man, we almost there. So I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Don't mind what I was doing right there. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Yeah, like I said, got the ends and Plenum spacer. Man, my door's locked. Oh, I almost broke my ankle just now. Like I said, we got it. Plenum spacer. His hair. But my trying to get in that little thumbnail, but Yeah, man. Got it from Redline 360. We're gonna go Z1, but I'm gonna probably still go Z1 anyways, to be honest with you. I just got it. Damn, I dropped it. It's light, it's black. So, you know, nice little easy install. Take the Plenum off. I'm gonna repaint the Plenum. Give you a little before look. Actually, let me get the paint. I can't believe I just dropped my camera just now. That's insane. But anyways, I ain't showing. I look rough right now. Rough. But yeah, man. Red. I'm gonna go red. You can't go wrong with red. Then again, I'm going red because, you know, red is red, red is hard. I was gonna go gold, but they didn't have the gold. So I said I'm gonna just go red. You know. It's the heart anyway, so you know red kind of only makes sense. I do look kind of crazy. You see that hairline though? This one I gotta get that redone. But look, we ain't talking about that anyways, man. Like I said, I'm gonna let it cool down. Color's red. Let me show you how the before of the Plenum. Oh yeah, I got a new sticker. I got it. I thought that this one was gonna come out like that, so I got the black, but it didn't. So I gotta take it off and buy one with white letters so you can see it, because you're standing from back here, you can't really see it. You just see a big Instagram sticker on it. You would think if my YouTube was one, my IG would be the same thing. So, and then if my license plate's the same thing, you would think the same thing. But you know, not everybody thinks the same thing. So, gotta get into one of those. Only Fredo. But that's the before. That's what the Plenum look like. Now I'm gonna do the upper and the lower Plenum. I might as well. It'll make it look better. Let me put a light on this. Actually, I don't know where my light is, but that's okay. Oh, I see it actually. We're gonna put that joint to work. I ain't buy this joint for nothing. You hear me? This one we dealing with right now. Is it zoomed in? A little bit. So yeah, this is the Plenum look like now. Look real rough. Don't mind my base. You're a little dirty. Definitely gotta get new intake. Alright, yeah, we got the angle for the Plenum. Zion putting up, you know, gangy. You know, his boat. I don't know how many, but they're all 10s. So I'm gonna get the time lapse of that. I'm gonna get into it. Get started. Alright, got the Plenum off. The oily on the inside. I'm gonna clean it up though. I don't even look at this side yet. Yeah, it's definitely coming in here. Some degrease and clean that up too for sure. But yeah, let me find a place to put these and you know, they're all the 10s. They're all 10s. Everything's 10s. All 10s. Remember that everything is a 10. Well, we back. Forgot to pick up the camera low key, but did as much as I can, got as much as I can off. Didn't have any sandpaper, so I did what I did, what I had, or what I had may do, what to do. So that's what to do.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I got the first layer of primer on there already. Got some tape taped off what I could, what I had, you know. So just the first layer. It don't look too bad. So I'm gonna let that dry up for a little while and get back to it. See him in the forces. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Damn that dabbing. It's not too shabby. I don't really go too crazy on the bottom because that's the bottom. Top looks mid. Didn't want to stick it some places. Definitely didn't get a good sand on it. But it don't look bad. That's the update. Back to you in a little bit. Just wanted to give you a little update. Primed it. This is a clear coat on. This is like my third layer of clear coat, paint and everything. So definitely better go back on a little bit. Just wanted to give you a little update. Update. Yeah, this is gonna be final. It's 11:24. I'm calling it a night. Put this back on the tripod and get the time lapse going and shit, you know? Get this shit pumping and jumping. Got her on there, looking spicy. Right now I'm just putting the washers on the Plenum bolts. Got a bunch of little washers to throw in there. In there about 12 o'clock. So I got one extra long one. Like, it's not an extra long one, but it's another long one that's extra. I don't know what it's for. I think I know what it's for, but we'll see when that time comes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the time lapse going because I was in here cranking, so. It's on, it look good. I like the red, that's a good choice. For sure. But, yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna keep vibing out. I'm vibing to Kendrick right now, so. It's on. She looking sweet. I fuck with the red. So let's fire up and see, make sure she don't leak or nothing, you know. On there, I see it is looking pretty. I had everything unplugged, so I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, catch up, do what I gotta do and shit. Yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this video. If anything happened, I picked the camera back up, but it's one 1 a.m. I'm going home. Probably get a clip when I drive home and shit, so let y'all know how that does. Sound good though. It could sound better. Definitely a lot of stuff that I need too, but again, it look good. Like, comment, subscribe, do all y'all need to do. Appreciate y'all. Let me know what y'all think. And y'all have a good one. I'm going home and I'm going to bed because I got to be up at 7 a.m. tomorrow for work. Really 5 a.m. I got to take an hour drive. But